Well, the water's starting to come back up. It's at about 500 feet now. Summer pool's 510. Be glad to see it back up and start boating again. Thought we'd give you an update on the surgery and how I'm doing. Doing pretty good. It's been 3 weeks now since the surgery. Doctor, good news. He said start exercising and travel. Get back to your regular life. Just don't lift anything too heavy or stress yourself out. So here we are. Beautiful day here in Alabama. It's going to get up to about 60 today. Not bad for the middle of February. I'm going to take my walk. We've been taking about a mile walk a couple times a day and doing some exercises. Feel pretty good. So we'll be getting in our Airstream and traveling down to Florida here in March to see Dick and Lynn and Josh, Dean and Valerie. We're on a cruise right now. And Donna and Roger, we hope. Good news, can get back on the road again. One of the creeks along our usual walking route. Be glad when it starts greening up. And here's a second little creek. This one after it rains comes through. Love the sounds. So we get out and take it's about what, mile and a half you figure?
Yeah.
Back and forth? Yeah. Do that a couple times a day. Hopefully that'll get me in shape. Do my kegel exercises. Get rid of some of the incontinence issues.
And you go on the treadmill when you can't get
And
out
on the
so
treadmill
far.
when it's raining or whatever. So seems to be working out well, making some progress.